The Ghibli Museum, Mitaka, Tokyo, how to purchase tickets, where to get Totoro cream puffs, and a recommended itinerary for how to spend your day. Let's go. You guys, I am so excited for today's video. We are finally going to the Ghibli Museum, and if you've been watching my videos for a while or have been following me on Instagram, you know how much I love Studio Ghibli, and today is finally the day. We got tickets to go to the museum and I am super stoked. However, I am not able to film the inside of the museum. And the reason why they say no cameras and no videos is because they really want you to be just immersed in the museum experience. So you guys will definitely have to check it out for yourself. I actually wrote a blog post all about all the tickets that you should probably reserve before you get to Japan. So I'll leave a link to that blog post down in the video description box so you guys can check that out. That blog includes how to get tickets to the Ghibli Museum and also the park in Nagoya. So you're probably wondering, what is this video actually going to show if I can't even film inside the museum? Well, I really want to show you all the things you can do in and around the area so that it can help you kind of build out what your day itinerary would look like if you choose to come to the museum during your trip. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, and let's get this day started. My hand towel for the day. My aunt got this for me in Kyoto from the Ghibli store there, and it's so cute. The Ghibli Museum in Mitaka is easily accessible if you're staying in central Tokyo. This itinerary starts off at Kichijōji Station. From here, you'll walk over to our first Ghibli-themed stop. Open from 11 to 5 every day except Tuesday, Hige's Cream Puff Factory is the place to grab the recognizable Totoro cream puffs. The cream puffs are as good as they look, and I make sure to grab one at least once every time I'm in Japan. The second location is a smaller shop with no place to sit inside. I recommend arriving right when it opens to avoid waiting in a long line. Definitely should have got a box for this, but I'm determined to eat it at the park, so. I'm so excited. You can already see the fall colors popping out from the park. I feel like this year in Tokyo, the colors it's been hard to find the fall foliage. Like, it's just been really sparse, but I have high hopes for this park, so. Once your cream puff is secured, take a short walk to the nearby park to eat. Inokashira Park is one of my favorite parks in Tokyo, and it's where the Ghibli Museum is located. Ghibli Museum tickets are notoriously difficult to grab and can sell out as quickly as 30 minutes from being on sale. Tickets go on sale every 10th of the month at 10 a.m. Japan time. Itadakimasu. The cheapest way to purchase Ghibli Museum tickets is through Lawson's website. However, it does not have the best user experience. I've read from other reviews that it's not great for booking big groups and can be really slow. It does have the best price point though. If you're staying in a premium hotel, you can call their concierge and see if they can help book your ticket in advance. You can also buy tickets from Lawson stores once you're in Japan. But again, tickets are very popular, so tickets for your desired dates may be sold out. Holidays and weekends are very popular dates, so you have a better chance of getting tickets on weekdays. So our reservation is at 12, so we're kind of sprinting through this area, but it's so beautiful, so definitely afterwards we're gonna need to stop and take a lot of photos because it is stunning. Look at that bridge.
There's so many ways to be happy.
The Ghibli Museum showcases the art, history, and world of Japanese animation studio, Studio Ghibli. The minute you step inside, you immediately feel as if you've been transported straight into one of Studio Ghibli's films. The intricate details of the building nod to a world that feels uniquely Ghibli. As a big fan, I loved visiting and learning more about the studio's animation process. There's even an exclusive film shown only to museum visitors. The Ghibli Museum is great for kids and adults. Plan for at least 2 hours to explore the different exhibitions, playgrounds, rooftop, and outdoor eating area. You'll have to walk through Inokashira Park to get to the Ghibli Museum. I recommend really taking your time as you stroll through the expansive park. The park is humongous and filled with small temples, large ponds, wildlife, and more. You can ride swan boats through the pond during certain seasons, and there's a zoo with a guinea pig petting zoo. Yes, guinea pigs. The fall colors and the spring cherry blossoms are a sight to see. Near the park's main entrance, there are many small souvenir shops and restaurants where you can find reasonably priced souvenirs and places to stop for a quick bite. I hope you found this video helpful as you plan your next trip to Japan. Make sure to check out my website and YouTube channel for more Japan travel tips and guides. Until next time.